Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to verify your email address on the Roblox app for PC using the latest update. Verifying your email is a great way to keep your account secure and unlock extra features, so let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC and log in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and find the menu. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up a list of additional settings and features for your account. Next, from the list, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Account Info. This is where you'll find all the important details related to your Roblox account, including your email address. Now look for the section labeled Email. If you haven't verified your email yet, you'll see a button or link next to it that says Verify. Go ahead and click on Verify. Roblox will now send a verification email to the address you have on file. Open a new tab or your email app and check your inbox for a message from Roblox. If you don't see it right away, remember to check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the email, open it and look for the Verify Email button inside. Click on that button to confirm your email address. Once you've clicked Verify Email, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your email has been successfully verified. You can return to the Roblox app and refresh the page to see your updated account status. That's it. You've now verified your email address on Roblox using the PC app. This simple step helps protect your account and makes it easier to recover your password or receive important updates from Roblox in the future. Thanks for following along and enjoy your time on Roblox.